Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted, and this is our What Are We Saving Wednesday video. And today is an exciting day because we're going to go ahead and finish our 12 months of Disney collab. So we've got these 5 left. We don't have a lot left, but we're going to finish her up today. So let's go ahead, mix these all together. We'll shuffle it a little, and then we'll see where we're going to go first. Well, we know where we're going to go first. Movies to watch. But first off, this is the 12-month Disney collab hosted by Steph's on a Budget, Weekly Budgets, and Budgeting with Lysandra. This is 12 months of savings, and I condensed it down and am doing it in 3 months. So, yay. This was originally supposed to be, if you've watched my videos, it was supposed to be savings for the pool, but we pulled that money from somewhere else, and now it's going to become randomized throughout all of my sinking funds, and I am so stoked about that. All right, let's go over it. This was created by all of these wonderful creators right here, all 24 of them. So the way it works is you've got your month. So for December, we have our main creator, which was Jenny from the Dramatic Panda. Your main creator made a $25 savings challenge. And then their partner for December, that was Renee from Patina DeVille Designs. And they created a roll and save or some sort of game to go with it. And for some reason, Alexa always feels the need to make a noise during my videos, but she just, has to be part of it. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up our movies to watch. We only have one left. Zootopia. I have seen this one. So the way you're supposed to play this is if you've watched it, say $5 per movie you watch for the month. Yeah, I didn't do it that way. I did mine. If I have watched it, we're paying $1, and if I have not watched it, it's $5. So Zootopia, I have seen. I think I've only watched it maybe once or twice, but it was good. I enjoyed it. I haven't seen the second one yet, so that's on my to-do list when we get Disney back again. Disney usually is bundled with the Hulu for football season, so that's when we have that for the year. But all right, $1 to finish up our movies to watch, and then let's see, where are we going? First one we're going to go to is October. Zootopia worked out perfect. And let's see what we're going to do. We're just going to finish them. And then I'm pretty sure we're going to have some money left. I'm bringing $65. So with any money we have left, we're going to randomize that throughout them all. So we're going to put in extra money beyond the savings challenge. So we've got $1, $2, $3, $4 that we're putting in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got our Zootopia roll and save. So our last one here, the sloth guy who worked at the DMV. We are going to roll, where is it? A 6-sided die. And we got a 4. So our last one, we're saving $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to go to August. Marie from Aristocats. I loved Aristocats. That was such a good movie. All right, so let's see. What do we have left on here? We've got an Eiffel Tower for 2 and a bow for 3. So $5 for this one. And we are all set on the second one. So next up, we've got Tiana for March. Tiana is one of the videos that I have not seen, so that's on the to-be-watched list as well. March, let's see. What do we have left on here? We just have one. And then for Dr. Facilier, we have one left on here as well. All righty. Next up, we're going to bounce back to our bonus, Hercules. I do love me some Hercules. That was such a very good movie. Yeah, that's how I said that. You know, sometimes things come out of your mouth and you're like, wait, what? I did not say that correct. All right, so $3 to finish that one up for Zeus. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have Ariel for February to finish us off. So, where are you at, Ariel? Okay, so we've got $2, and nothing left on that one. All right, so let's see. What do we have left? We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44. All right, let's go ahead. Put our collab over here to the side. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to randomize a little bit. We are also going to cheat a little. You know me. I always cheat a little. And we're going to go ahead and with our 5s that we have left. Yes, that's our Hercules one. I'm going to go ahead because they are each smaller. Because all of the months had 2 savings challenges for each. And then obviously these only have the 1. So I'm going to give an extra 5 to each of these. Just to give it a little boost. To help get it evened out a little bit more with the other savings because they're going to be randomized throughout all of my savings challenges. So I want to give them all a good opportunity to win some money. And then we're going to go ahead and roll a 4-sided die, and that's what we're going to give to each of them. And then we'll go through and we will see how much money we saved in each one. I'm super excited to see what kind of savings we've got. Oh, we might just go till we run out of money, too. So, we'll see how it works. 1 for April. May got 1. 3 for June. 4 in July. We might not make it all the way through. Nope. And 4 for August. So, we didn't put anything extra into September, October, November, or December. So hopefully they have some good savings. So let me go ahead, pull out some larger bills so we can do some condensing. And we are going to get all of these situated, friends. I'm so excited. Give me just a minute. Alrighty, we got a few larger bills here. So, and I'm going to bring over my clips so that I can get these all clipped and organized. So let's see, what did we end up with for January? We've got $20, $40, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49. So these are some good savings for each of our categories. Even better than we did for our snowball collab. So I love it. February. We have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. $41, $42. Nice. March. That's what I was going to do. I was going to buy a calculator so I could actually add this all up and tell you guys. But I'm going to have to just add it up afterwards. Or it'll just, you know what? Yeah, I am, because it'll kill me to not to know. And I'll let you know on the Friday video where we go over everything, how much we totally saved for it. So for March, we've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I feel like most of them got around 40. So 40, 41, 42. Some of them did get more because their savings challenges just added up to more. Even if you do it the proper way and you do roll-in saves, you're going to get random amounts for each, which is so much fun. April, we're adding $1 extra. So let's see, what did we end up with? So this one didn't get quite that. So we've got $20, $30, $35, $36 for April. Didn't quite hit the 40 mark, but that's okay. We'll hope that goes to a category I don't care as much about. May. Let's see. What do we get for May? We've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. June, we're adding $3 extra. So we've got 20, 30, sorry friends, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42. July, we had an extra $4. So we've got 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Nice. That's a good sized one. I feel like there was one that got up to 50, but maybe not. I could be totally wrong. Or did we already have one? See, this is why I have to add it up later. Oh, we're out of 20, so hopefully I don't need any more of those. August. Yep, we probably could have used one. We've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So let's at least put in a 10. $41. September, we ended up with 20, 40, 41, $42. October got a good chunk. So we've got 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Nice. Really close to 50. That one almost hit it. If we would have been able to give it some random money, we might have got there. That's okay, though. November, we ended up with 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. December, we ended up with $20, $40 for December. For the Hercules bonus, what do we end up with our bonus money? We've got 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice. Glad I put that extra 5 in there. Mickey, this one should also be 30 now. Maybe, if I can get in it. Because these two were $25 savers. So, yep, we got $30 with that extra 5. I'm glad I put that in there. That way it's a little bit more even, Steven, with the other ones. This one was a roll and save. So, let's see. What do we get for Nemo? We've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Nice. And lastly, we have our movies to watch, which would have been a much bigger saver if I would have done it the way it was meant to be played, but that's okay. We got 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. So that is our lowest one. But it's still pretty close to 30 bucks, so I'm not mad at that. Look at all of that savings, friends. I just love it. Look at them all. So much money. Yay! So I highly recommend if you have a lot of sinking funds like I do, it's kind of fun to do them this way. just so that you can divvy them out to all of the different categories, and then I'll randomize it through this into those categories in our end of month. But like I said, make sure you check in on my Friday video if you are interested in seeing exactly how much we saved, because I don't really know right now. So I'm going to add it all up, but it should be a pretty good sized chunk, I believe. Alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my Friday video. Bye, friends.